Hello, communication students. Dr. Sloan here. This is your introduction to COMM2500 welcome video. And I just wanted to give you a chance to get used to me, my face, my voice, and also our online course. So my goal is to give you a quick tour of our online course and walk you through some of the nuts and bolts of what it looks like and what we'll be doing in COMM2500 for the next 5 weeks. So, where we are right now, this is the COMM2500 homepage, and here you'll see me trying to post regular announcements so that I'm keeping up with you guys and letting you know what's going on in the course. And I'm also going to use our homepage as a place to just post videos and images and articles and all kinds of things related to what we're learning in our COMM2500 course. So every time you log in, make sure that you skim at the very least over what's going on here on our homepage, because there will be regular posts and all kinds of information that are reinforcing what we're learning in our reading and in our design work. Here on the left is your toolbar. You don't have all of the links that I have, and I don't have all of the links that you have, but some of the key things that we both have are the syllabus link. And it is useful to read your syllabus. I remember being a college student and not reading the syllabus myself, so I know how it works, but I do encourage you to review it and know some of the key policies that are present in this course and also just at King in general. One policy that I will highlight is the late work rule, and I will take late work, but you will be docked points for any late submission in the class. So it is important to create quality work and also to submit work on time if you want to earn a good passing grade in COMM2500. So as I said, even though I don't like late work, I will accept it because I realize life gets crazy, and in the syllabus, I detail what the late work policy is, including that there is no late work possible after 5 days or in week 5. Another important link for you here is learning modules. So basically, every time you log in, you're here on the home page, so you can check out announcements, and then most of you will immediately click into learning modules. And one thing that we will immediately do here in COMM2500 is get to know one another. So please click on the introduction discussion board and introduce yourself, and then stick around for a little bit and greet a couple classmates. It's really beneficial to all of us if we have a sense of community and we get to know one another interpersonally as well as academically or professionally. If we keep scrolling down, we'll see all of the various modules. This is week 1, so I'm going to click right into module 1. Hopefully each module is really clear to you. You have kind of the nuts and bolts information here at the top where you get an introduction to what we're doing this week. You'll get an overview of what our learning goals are, and you will clearly be told these are your responsibilities for this week. So make sure that you pay attention to what all of the things that you are responsible for in each module. And it might be beneficial to you if you're struggling with time management, or if you're really effective at time management, to even pull out your calendar and say, here are all the things I need to do this week, and schedule some time for each of those activities. So schedule some time for reading your text or supplemental readings, schedule time for when you're going to write on the discussion board, so on and so on. And that will really help you excel in getting your work done and getting it done well and on time. Here in this folder each week, you will be told what your required reading is, and if we have a supplemental reading, it'll actually be in this folder. So right now, since in Module 1 our only required reading is the Williams 2015 text, this is not a link. It's just telling you open the textbook that you own and read those chapters. In several of our COMM2500 modules, you will be reading in the Williams 2015 text, and you'll have a supplemental reading. And so any of the additional readings that are assigned, I will put in this folder for you to access the PDF. So make sure that you know in future weeks, this will become a link that you can access as a folder. In every module, you'll have a folder called Assignments. This is Module 1 Assignments. When we click into this assignment folder, Everything is listed in the order that you see here at the top, because just like I require of you with a preview statement and good organized writing, I practice it as well. So you will find the material in the folder in the order it is listed in the title. You'll see a discussion and then the multiple assignments that are required of you. For every assignment, I have tried to give you kind of a quick glimpse of what the assignment is, but I definitely encourage you to open the Word document or PDF. They're the same thing, just two different versions of the file. To open it and read the full assignment explanation for every assignment so that you know the expectations, and then also to read over the rubric so that you know how you will be earning points and how you could miss points if you don't do or accomplish a certain element. So definitely read your assignment explanation and rubric for every assignment in this course. It's pretty cut and dry. You need to complete all of these things, and to submit your work, you click on the title and it brings you into a submission screen. So anytime you see this icon, you know that you submit your work in that place. One other thing I wanted to point out to you is in every module, there's also a folder called Additional Learning Resources. And I hope you'll just at least skim through this. I know in some weeks more than others, there is a ton of material. I'm not expecting you to watch every video or read every article, but I hope that you'll skim through it and watch a couple of videos or read a few of the articles that seem interesting to you. Everything posted in the Additional Learning Resources folder in every module links with what we're reading in the textbook and or with the supplemental reading. And so it's just a way to reinforce what we are learning. And so many of the articles and of course the videos are very visually rich. So we're not just reading, we're seeing the idea that we're learning in this class modeled for us within the article and of course also within the video. So a lot of helpful materials for you to continue your learning. So anytime we hit a concept or you love a concept and you want to learn more, definitely click into the keywords and ideas here in your Learning Resources folder for more information. So welcome to COMM2500. I hope this tutorial or introduction walkthrough of our class is helpful. I look forward to getting to know you all through the introduction discussion board and also just through weekly submissions and feedback. I look forward to your work and learning about effective visual rhetoric with you. Good luck.